Hi, and welcome to an episode of Utah Crossbow Hunter, where today's show we're going to see, I got this Tipton best gun vise right here, and we're going to see if my three crossbows can fit in here, so if I remove my scopes and change scopes or do routine maintenance, if this will work for my crossbows. We're probably going to make some modifications to the crossbows, maybe like taking off the foregrip or something to get it in here, but we're going to find out together. Also, I'm going to attempt to give you not one, not two, not three, but 4 different camera angles. So that's an attempt to try and do today. So with that said, let's get started with today's show. Okay, so like I said, today we're going to see if my crossbows will fit into the Best Gun Vise by Tipton. So, let me start you out with a tour of the gun vise here. Okay. So the nice thing about this vise, it is adjustable. It is made out of plastic. It's light. It has these trays right here that you can put your stuff in. It's got trays on both sides. This mount up here is adjustable up and down, and the same thing here with these clamps back here. They're adjustable up or down. Right here is with my locking, so I can put adjust these here. Then once I get my gun in there or my crossbow in there and I want to lock it in, I just lock it in by putting these little handles down. Right here in the middle, which I don't know if I'm going to be using or not yet, is a rest to help support the whatever you got in here, whether it be a gun or a crossbow. But I don't know if those are going to work yet or not. We'll find out. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. It's light, and we'll find out how well that works. So, let's put a crossbow in there and let's find out. So the first one we'll use and try will be the CENTERPOINT, and I already see that due to the grip on here, I'm going to have to take this off. So it just comes right off. The screws right off here. It just comes right off. So we'll just set that aside. And I'll just move that little screw up here. Let's open this up. And these right here do float around to help grip onto your whatever you're putting in here. I do have a level that I'll be using. I'm just going to use just the one level today. Okay, so let's put it on, put it in, and I already see right now that I'm going to have to take my grip off. I'm not going to do that today, simply because of time-wise, and to keep this video as short as possible to do everything. So we'll just give it a shot here. Let me just go ahead and tighten this down here a little bit. And let's put a level on here. Okay. So we've got to move it this way. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Now I'm sure the table itself is out of balance. Just because I'm sitting on rocky ground here a little bit. But I see now that I'm going to have to bring down this front mount here to get it to go down. But overall, I think this crossbow will fit in here just nicely. But again, I'm going to have to take off this front grip to work with it better, because I'm going to have to bring this front piece down and it will hit the grip here when I do that. But on level ground, I think we'll be okay. All right. Oop. Just drop my level. Okay. All right, so let's go with the Carbon Express and see how that does in here. It fits down in the front grip really nice. This way is level. Well, let's see, I'm going to have to bring these out just a little bit. Get that in there. Yeah, that one's going to level out just nicely on here. So far, the crossbows are doing good. So let me pull this one out. And let's do the Killer Instinct crossbow. And this one here, it'll fit in here just nicely, but I think I'm going to have to pull out or move back my handle. But level wise this direction, I think we're going to be just fine. So that answers that question. Will the crossbows fit in this best gun vise? So I'm going to say yes, they will fit in here. We'll just have to make some minor adjustments here and there to get it to work. Let's come back with some final thoughts. Okay, for some final thoughts here. I think this gun vise is going to work just fine in the in this Tipton best gun vise. Now they do have another one that is a little more expensive. It runs about I think it was $109. It does fit the crossbows a little bit better, but after looking at the reviews on YouTube on that vise, I seen there was a lot of issues with tightening on that vise. They did give you a lot of suggestions on how to fix that, but quite frankly, I don't want to take the time to do that. So I got this one instead, and it seems to be working out just fine. I'll do some more testing with it. I'll set my 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 new scope mount, the kit on here, and try it that way too. But again, that'll take a little bit of time, and I'll give you an update on that when I get that done. Let you know how that did. So, overall, I give this 2 thumbs up. So, I guess you could say it's more of a review on the best gun vise. They're obviously not made for crossbows, but can it be used? I'd say yes. So if you know, for cleaning, for mounting your scopes, I would say yeah, because you want something solid to mount your scopes on. I did use the Primos lead sled to make sure my scopes were good, but was it solid? No, by no means. I couldn't tighten anything down, like, you know, get it solid into a vise on the Primos. So that's why I looked up some vices to see what they had, and the this one was the best, the second best, but I got this, you know, to do. But like I said, the other one a little more expensive, but the reviews on it weren't all that good, and I'm sitting here in some ants, I think. So, with that said, remember, family first. Take care of your family, and by all means, get out there and hunt. And see you on the next episode of Utah Crossbow Hunter.